What's the meaning of chariot? Chariot. Chariot.
Chariot. Chariot. A chariot is a type of carriage driven by horses that was used in ancient times for transportation, racing, and warfare. It typically consisted of an open two-wheeled vehicle with seats for the driver and passengers. Chariots were widely used in ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Greece, and Rome, and their use continued into the Middle Ages. Today, chariots are still used for ceremonial purposes in some cultures, but they no longer serve any practical transportation or military function.